Hi guys, ignore this background. Oh, we're shaking. Stop moving. We're vlogging. Spur of the moment. We are gonna go fishing. Today is Tuesday. Yannick had the day off. So we're gonna go fish. We were at my mom's town and we're back already. I got a bunch of new clothes because she randomly bought me clothes. So I got a bunch of those, and she gave me a bunch of her hand-me-downs, which they were brand new because she just bought like hundreds of dollars worth of clothes for herself. So she gave me all her old ones, and the ones that don't fit me, I'm gonna give to my friend hopefully tomorrow when we hang out. So golden. But yeah, Yannick's in getting bait, and then we are off. We're gonna sing it, boo boo. So we made it. Those people that were here when we got here are leaving. But yeah, I don't think we can fish over here. Maybe over there, but not right here. Can you? Yeah. I think we could get some real cute pictures on this hydro pole though. So there's these really nice rocks. See them all? I want some. So I'm gonna choose some. I need flat ones that I could put alongside the house. So let's see. Guys, I was talking to Yannick and I literally swallowed a bug.
Is this flat?
Good enough. Okay, that's 2. Here guys, let's try this. Can we? Can we do it? Yes, bitch. Yes. This is a flat one, but it's real small. Where's all the flat rocks at? No. No. There's no flat rocks. First lake we went to was a fail. You can't really fish offshore, but the people that were there said they caught mad fish. But we missed out. But now we are at a different lake, but at the end of the lake, and there's a camper here. Nobody's here. But this is where we ended up, where the camper is. So let's hope they don't show up because we're kind of using their area. Yeah, right. Holy fuck.
A big bass.
Really?
See it? Watch.
Babe, I'm trying to reel in.
Hurry.
I am. You're eating it?
Holy fuck, that's a huge bass.
Babe, I am videoing. Haley, come. That's a bass? You're keeping up?
Hey.
Do they bite?
That's a big fucking bass.
They bite? They got like teeth?
No.
Really? Good job, babe. Look at me.
That bass is huge. Take a vlog it. What'd you get?
Oh my god, why does it move?
It's a nice bass. It's huge. Good catch.
Ah!
Haley's loving it.
So, as you guys seen earlier, Yannick caught a fish. We got way too excited for life.
Oh yeah.
But yeah, now we're catching nothing.
No.
It's still fun though.
Haley's loving it.
Yeah, Haley's loving it. I don't even know where she is.
She's over there.
But she loves fishing. So if she's a happy dog, I'm a happy mom. Oh, there she is. We're going to leave, but look at, there's this nice log home. The front's even prettier, and it's abandoned. We were fishing over there, and yeah, this house has been abandoned for like ever, I'm pretty sure. Because in the winter time, it's never there too. Or nobody's ever there either. And the grass is all grown in, but it's so nice. I'd love a spot like that. This is the front. We're back home. And I am making a little steak. And I just got done moving all my clothes because I filmed a collective haul, birthday haul this morning right there. And I just moved my pile there. So now I don't know if I'm going to make it a try-on haul or not, but I have my pile there. So it's in my room, not out here. And once my steak is done cooking, we're going to watch Orange is the New Black. Anybody else watch this show? This show?
We got 2 more left now.
Yeah, we only have 2 episodes left and we're done the 3rd season. So that's our plan. So, cooking with Tiffany. No. Ew, it's bleeding still.
Oh my god.
Ugh. Who likes their steaks bloody? Yannick does. But I texted my friend. She didn't text me back yet. But we're supposed to hang out tomorrow. But she has to drive her father-in-law or something somewhere. And she's not sure when or how long that'll be. But we're supposed to hang out and have a wax party. Because she has a wax burner or a wax like, a wax pot. And I actually don't have one of those. I should get one of those. But she has one of those anyways. And my eyebrows are beyond repair. So we're going to play with that thing. And then she can try on all the clothes my mom gave her. Well, gave me, but they don't fit me, some of them. So I'm going to pass them on to her. And, oh, that's my favorite kind. We got these gigantic pop, Freezies, Mr. Freezies the other day. Love them. But peach is my favorite. My favorite. And yeah, that's all we know. We finally got done our episode of Orange is the New Black.
Yeah.
It was wonderful. Now we only have 1 left?
2.
Oh, 2 left?
Yeah, it was the 3rd last one, I think.
So we got 2 left. And Haley is pooped from fishing. Ow! And yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. My friend is going to hang out with me tomorrow. She's gonna text me in the morning because she wakes up before me. And she's gonna work around our schedule to go drive whoever around. So that is wonderful. I get to do my eyebrows tomorrow. My winged liner lasted pretty good today. Even when I cried nearly holding that fish on a string.
You pussy.
But we will see you guys in our next vlog. Bye, guys.
Bye.